Hello, my name is Mike Lippe. I'm an international sales engineer here at Optris. Today we have a look to the CT Laser series. With the CT Laser series, you have the possibility to do a precise measurement on different materials. This compact sensor has integrated laser diodes, which shows you exactly the measurement spot on your material and which support you to detect the correct temperature on very small measure areas. You have the possibility to adjust the sensor head in the right way, detecting the area which you want to measure. Optris provides you the CT Laser series with different wavelengths and different temperature ranges. It does not matter which material, steel, plastic, glass, metals, as for example for induction heating processes, electronic components or other materials. We support you the right spectral range for your application. With a selection of different optics, as standard optics or close focus optics, you can use the CT Laser in different distances to get the perfect spot measurement. With the CT Laser series, you have an electronic box with different output channels, which provide you an analog output of 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliamp output as temperature signal. You have also the possibility to have a Thermocouple output as TCJ or TCK signal, and you can use the open collector output channel as alarm recognition. The new CT Laser series have already an integrated USB interface, which you can find on the right side of the electronic box. With this integrated USB interface, you have the possibility to use the IR connectivity kit to connect the electronic box with your PC or with your mobile phone to make settings quickly and easy. For the digital interfaces, we support you also a free analysis software, Compact Connect or Compact Plus Connect, which you can use to record a temperature time diagram and to do sensor settings. For the connection with your mobile phone, we support you the free Android app IR Vision, which you can download from the Google Play Store. Have a precise temperature measurement with the Optris CT Laser series.